Welcome to Max online class. First sum. A passenger train takes 1 hour more than an express train to travel a distance of 240 km from Chennai to Virudhachalam. The speed of passenger train is less than that of an express train by 20 km per hour. Find the average speed of both the trains. A passenger train takes 1 hour more than an express train to travel a distance of 240 km from Chennai to Virudhachalam. The speed of passenger train is less than that of an express train by 20 km per hour. Find the average speed of both the trains. Let the average speed of a passenger train be x km per hour. Let the average speed of the passenger train be x km per hour. Then the average speed of express train will be x plus 20 km per hour. Average speed of express train be x plus 20 km per hour. Time taken by the passenger train to cover a distance of 240 km is 240 by x hour. Time taken by express train to cover distance of 240 km is 240 divided by x plus 20 hour. So 240 by x is equal to 240 divided by x plus 20 plus 1. Bring this one other side, it becomes negative. 240 by x minus 240 divided by x plus 20 is equal to 1. Here 240 is common, so take outside. So remaining you have 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 20 is equal to 1. Take LCM. The LCM is x into x plus 20. Cross multiply x plus 20 minus x into 240 equal to 1. Plus x minus x cancel. So remaining 20 divided by x into x plus 20. Then 240 into 20, 4800 divided by x into x square plus 20x is equal to 1. So this becomes at 4800 is equal to x square plus 20x. Bring this 4800 other side, it becomes negative. So x square plus 20x minus 4800 is equal to 0. Factorize. Here sum is 20 and the product is minus 4800. 4800 can be written as 80 into minus 80 and minus 60. So if you add, you will get plus 20. If you multiply, you will get minus 4800. So this can be written as x plus 80 into x minus 60 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 80 or 60. Therefore x is equal to 60. The speed cannot be negative, so x is equal to 60. Average speed of the passenger train is 60 km per hour. Average speed of the express train is 80 km per hour. Second sum. Prove that the equation x square into p square plus q square plus 2x pr plus qs plus r square plus s square is equal to 0 has no real roots. If ps is equal to qr, then show that the roots are real and equal. Show that the roots are real and equal. So here first we want to prove that the equation has no real roots. So for that, consider the given equation. X square into p square plus q square plus 2x into pr plus qs plus r square plus s square is equal to 0. The equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to p square plus q square, b is equal to 2 into pr plus qs, c is equal to r square plus s square. The condition is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Condition b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values. Here b is equal to 2 into pr plus qs the whole square minus 4 into a is p square plus q square, c is r square plus s square. 2 square means 4. Pr plus qs the whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. So the expansion is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you have 4 into p square r square plus 2 pqrs plus q square s square. Then multiply p square r square p square s square plus q square r square plus q square s square. Here 4 is common, so take outside. Then 4 into p, keep the 3 terms as it is. Here multiply the minus and inside the bracket. So this becomes minus p square r square minus p square s square minus q square r square minus q square s square. Here plus p square r square minus p square r square cancel. Plus q square minus q square s square minus q square s square cancel. So remaining you have 2pqrs p square s square minus q square r square. Now minus is common, so take outside. So you have minus 4 into p square s square minus 2pqrs plus q square r square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. So we can write ps minus qr the whole square, so which is less than 0. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac less than 0. So the roots are not real. Then we want to verify the second one. So for that, if ps is equal to qr, then delta is equal to minus 4 into ps minus qr the whole square is equal to, here substitute ps is equal to qr, so this becomes minus 4 into qr minus qr the whole square. Qr minus qr 0, so delta is equal to 0. If ps is equal to qr means then the roots will be real and equal. Third sum. If a is equal to 1 to 1, 2 minus 1 1 and b is equal to 2 minus 1 4 0 2, show that ab whole transpose is equal to b transpose into a transpose. First you find the LHS AB whole transpose. AB is equal to 1 to 1, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 4 0 2. First you multiply A and B. First you have to multiply the first row and the first column. So you have 1 into 2 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 into 0 0. Multiply the second row and the first column. So you have 2 into 2 4, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0. Multiply the first row and the second column. So you have minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 2 into 4 8, 1 into 2 2. Multiply the second row and the second column. 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 into 4 minus 4 plus 1 into 2 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 0, minus 1 plus 8 7, 7 plus 2 9, 4 plus 1 5, minus 2 plus 2 cancel, so you have minus 4. Then AB whole transpose is equal to 0 9 5 minus 4 whole transpose. This means that you have to interchange the first row into first column and the second row in the second column. So you have 0 9 5 minus 4, interchange the first row into first column, 0 9. Similarly interchange the second row into second column. So you have 5 minus 4. Mark it as equation number 1. RHS is B transpose into A transpose. Interchange the rows into columns. First you find B transpose, which is equal to the first row into first column, second row into second column and third row into third column. Similarly A transpose is equal to interchange first row into first column and the second row into second column. Then multiply B transpose into A transpose, which is equal to 2 minus 1 0, minus 1 4 2, 1 2, 2 minus 1 1 1. Multiply the first row and the first column. So you have 2 into 1 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 0 into 1 0. Multiply the second row and the first column. So you have minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 4 2s are 8, 2 into 1 2. Multiply the first row and the second column. So you have 2 into 2 4, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1, 0 into 1 0. Multiply the second row and the second column. So you have minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 2 into 1 2, which is equal to 2 minus 2 0, minus 1 plus 8 plus 2, that is 9, 4 plus 1 5, minus 2 plus 2 cancel, minus 4, mark it as number 2. Now comparing the first equation and the second equation, so both are equal, so you have AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Fourth sum, if A is equal to ABCD and I is equal to 1001, show that A square minus A plus D A is equal to BC minus AD I2. A is equal to ABCD, I is equal to 1001. First you have to find A square. A square means A into A. Here A is ABCD into ABCD. First you have to multiply the first row and the first column. First row and the first column. Then you have A into A square plus B into C, BC. Now multiply the second row and the first column. Second row and the first column. Then you have AC plus DC. Multiply the first row and the second column. Then you have AB plus BD. Multiply the second row and the second column. So you have BC plus D square. Then you find A plus D into A plus D into A, which is equal to A plus D. Here A is equal to ABCD. Now multiply A into A square plus AD, then AB plus BD, AC plus DC, AD plus D square. LHS is equal to A square minus A plus DA. Substitute the values, which is equal to A square plus BC, AC plus DC, AB plus BD, BC plus D square minus A square plus AD, AC plus CD, AB plus BD, AD plus D square. Subtract. Here plus A square minus A square cancel, so remaining you have BC minus AD. AB plus BD minus AB plus BD 0. AC minus DC minus AC minus AC plus CD 0. BC plus D square minus AD plus D square. Here plus D square minus D square cancel, so remaining you have BC minus AD. Then RHS is BC minus AD 1001, which is equal to multiply. RHS is BC minus AD I2. I2 means 1001. So multiply BC minus AD 0 0 BC minus AD. Therefore LHS equal to RHS from 1 and 2. From LHS and RHS you have A square minus A plus DA equal to BC minus AD I2. Fifth sum, if one root of the equation 3x square plus kx plus 81 is equal to 0, having real roots is the square of the other, then find k. Here one root is alpha and the other root is alpha square. So alpha and alpha square are the roots of the equation. 3x square plus kx plus c is equal plus 81 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to k, c is equal to 81. So sum of the roots, alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to, here b is equal to k, so minus k by 3. So this can be written as alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus k by 3. Cross multiply. 3 alpha plus 3 alpha square is equal to minus k. Mark it as first equation. Then find the product of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to alpha into alpha square is equal to c by a. C is 81. 81 by 3. Cancel the numerator and denominator by 3 tables. So you have 27. So alpha into alpha square, alpha cube. Alpha cube is equal to 27. 27 can be written as 3 cube. Taking cube root on both sides. So alpha is equal to 3. Substitute alpha is equal to 3 in the first equation. So you have 3 into 3 plus 3 into 3 square is equal to minus k. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 square means 9. 9 into 3 27. So 9 plus 27 is equal to minus k. So 9 plus 27 is 36. 36 is equal to minus k. Therefore, k is equal to minus 36.